a very special video on how to make money with Clickbank using free methods. Okay, so I'm going to be going over a couple of tricks, okay, of how you can use Clickbank effectively, okay, and certain platforms where you can really do really well with Clickbank products. And these are all organic methods, right? So free methods, no paid traffic, and so let's get into it. So this is Clickbank, first of all. So if you have not heard about Clickbank before, this is a marketplace full of products and offers that you can promote for free, actually. So you can sign up for free, okay? You don't need to pay for it, and you can access all sorts of stuff, okay? So this is the landing page of the Clickbank website, okay? And you can see that they have all sorts of categories over here. One of the categories that I use the most, which is it's e-business and e-marketing, okay, because I'm into affiliate marketing as well. So a lot of my audience, they like products that can help them make money online, right? So I look into a lot of the products over here. Okay, I mean, and there's all sorts of stuff. Okay, like guaranteed solo ads. There's the super affiliate handbook. Okay, ultimate ASON, WordPress themes. For affiliate marketers if they use WordPress for their blogs and everything. Okay, and there are a lot of other categories also, like health and wellness is a really good category. Okay, so let's click health and fitness. So on the health and fitness, there are a lot of options. I mean, like stuff like keto diets, workout programs, like fitness challenges, and all these things are really trending and doing really well on the internet right now. So there are a huge selection of websites. Okay, and so what you can do is basically log into Clickbank, create your account. Okay, and the good thing about Clickbank is that they pay out through wire transfers as well. So you can have them send you your commissions directly to your bank account. Okay, and whereas some other networks, they are only confined to like PayPal or something like that. So Clickbank is not like that. They have options, which makes them a really good choice. Okay, and what you can do after signing up is you can check each and every category, look at the products. Okay, so yeah, so you can do that on your own time. Now next, what I'll show you is using a site called CB Engine. Okay, CB Engine is a website where you can look at Clickbank offers more clearly in terms of what's good, what's not good, what's trending. Okay, you can see the stats in one place. That's why CB Engine is good. So as soon as you come onto CB Engine, this is a free site. I've not even made an account on this site. Okay, obviously there are some limitations for that, but you can keep in mind that you can look at these stats for free without creating an account. So you don't need to create an account. And the two things that I keep in mind on this website is I look at gravity. Okay, so gravity tells you what percentage of people are actually actively promoting the product right now. And usually with a high gravity score, you can what you can understand from that is that a lot of people are promoting the product right now, which means the product is converting for them. Okay, so when you see a high gravity score, don't think that just because too many people are promoting the product means you don't need to promote the product. The competition is always good. You just need to find out how to you make that make it work for you. Okay, so you can use ad spy tools and see what kind of ads or what kind of stuff people are doing. Okay, and usually if they are running ads to it and stuff like that, then you know that the pages convert. So if you're going to do it through free traffic methods, you can see that the pages are good. So we'll go through an example, and you can see why you would want to do it in this way. So you can see now the offers with top gravity scores are these, flat belly fix, Ted's woodworking, lean belly breakthrough. So you can see, like, from the top 5 offers, 3 are related to weight loss and fitness. So this niche is really good. Okay, and a gravity score of above 75, I would say, is good to promote. Okay, so let's look at flat belly fix. Okay, so let's look at the offer. All right. Now, one good way to tell if you want to promote a landing page is now if you yourself like the landing page, and if you yourself would buy from it, then you can expect your subscribers or the people who you're advertising to, or free traffic people to buy from it. If the page doesn't look good, then you yourself won't buy from it, right? So let's go to the website. Okay, so this is the flat belly fix website. Okay, it comes onto a video, which is good actually. People like watching videos rather than reading. Okay. Um, so yeah, so like in this way you can check out more offers. Okay, like Ted's woodworking, lean belly breakthrough. So what I would suggest is go through the landing pages. Okay, see if you like them. Okay, then you can expect the people who you would be promoting these offers to would like them as well. Okay, if you don't like the offers, there's no point promoting it, because there's a high chance that the people who will see your offer, they also don't like it. Okay, so I put the volume off. All right. So yeah, you can go through all these offers. Okay, all these pages start with videos, so that's a good point to take note, that most of the high converting offers, they have videos. Okay, and when you scroll down, basically you can see a thing called affiliates, right? So what I would suggest is going through that place, because over here you're going to get tools to help you promote your offer better. Okay, so you can see you can get up to 75% commissions. Okay, per sale, right? So that's the average sale. Okay, and then they have upsells as well. So you need to know, at like over here, for example. So the main offer is $67, from which you will get 75% of that, right? And then on each and every upsell, you will get a percentage of the profits as well. Okay, so you need to keep that in mind. Just sometimes some of the offers have email swipes, that if you want to send emails, you can send emails. Your affiliate links are over here. You just put in your ID over here, and this is your affiliate link basically. So anybody who purchases through this link, you will get the commission, right? So now that you know how to look in choose good offers, look into the offer, study the commission process. Okay, then then the next step is obviously going about promoting it, right? So there are two really good ways of promoting it. Okay, so let's take the example of Ted's woodworking basically. Okay, so what we'll do is get onto YouTube, okay, and put in here like woodworking, for example. Let's just see what comes up. Okay, so a total beginner's guide to woodworking. Okay, this has 30,000 views. Let's take a look at it. Okay, move my face over here. Okay, so the video is loading, or there'll be an ad. Okay. Miller Brands can create a professional logo in minutes to give you an ad designed for free. Okay. You might have found this video because you've been binge watching. So it's a 13-minute video. Okay, a total beginner's guide to woodworking. Now this video is, oh my god, it's a day old. It was published yesterday. It already has 31,000 views. Okay, I mean, this is a guy with 1.1 million subscribers. That's why. But let's take a look at what he has in his description. So set up shop for less than $1,000 free guide. Okay, let's look at what this is. Get my curated list of most affordable woodworking tools. Okay, so it's kind of like a lead magnet. Send me the tools. Okay, you enter your name and email. So this is a lead magnet for him to collect um, leads that he can market to then on the back end via email, which is um, one of the most recommended ways actually to always build an email list, because an email list, especially if you're acquiring the emails for free, then it increases the lifetime value of your subscribers, right? Because you can keep marketing to them over and over. Okay, and over a period of 1, 2, 3 months, you can calculate how many sales you get from that particular subscriber. Okay, and that way you can calculate long-term value, lifetime value over 3 months or up to a year. Okay, so he has put and he has linked more YouTube videos. What I can guarantee is, usually through this link, most likely along with his own resources, he would probably be either recommending Ted's woodworking from Clickbank, or he might use it in his emails. Most likely. Okay, I don't want to put my email and go through the list because it will take time. Okay, but we can check out some other videos as well. Okay, so live edge river. Okay, this is like a live video. Okay, I mean, you can see most of the videos are his, like Steve Ramsey. I guess he's a big name in this niche. Okay. You know what? Let's do the other example of flat belly fix. See what we get on YouTube. Okay. Flat belly fix was the first offer. Okay. So 21-day flat belly fix. Don't buy until you see this. So this is definitely a Clickbank product. Most likely they are just an affiliate for Clickbank or even other stuff. But I mean, you can see it's just a video with a link, not much of real value over here. Okay. It shows some before and after pictures and stuff. Yeah, shut the volume off. Yep. Okay, and you can see that it's basically like a 6-month-old web video with 47,000 views. So 21-day flat belly fix review and special discount. So let's go to this link. First link in the description. It's good to have the link right at the very top, okay, of the description so that it increases your click-through rate. You don't want to make your, oh, look at this. It links directly to the Clickbank product. Okay. So now what we can do is we can do a slight calculation on this, right? What I'll do is I'll open calculator. Okay. So this page has got 47,000 views, right? I'll bring the calculator here, 47,000 views. And let's take a look at the offer itself. Oh, here, the initial sale is $38. Okay. So getting back to the calculator, so that's 47,000 views. Say for example, 1%. So every 1% of the views actually buy the product, right? I mean, it's kind of a low CTR, you can say, but just for the sake of assumption. So that's 1 in every 100 people, right? So we'll multiply this by 0.01. So that's 470 sales over the last 6 months, right? And it's $38 per sale, right? So into 38, that's 17,000. That's almost $18,000, guys. Okay, and if you divide this by 6 months, that's $3,000 per month. So that video is making you $3,000 per month from free traffic promotion. Okay, and I mean, that video was not even 2 minutes long. So I bet you can get such a video done on Fiverr for like $10 maybe. And that's it. You just have the video sitting there and you make a passive income, right? So that's a great way to promote Clickbank products for free. The second good way that I have been checking out myself is Quora. Okay, so this is my Quora profile. Okay, and honestly, you can set up a nice professional looking profile. You can set up an intro for yourself, and you can see that I have written 25 answers, and I've gained like 96 followers. Okay, so there was this one day where I just experimented on Quora a couple of weeks ago, and I answered about 8 questions, and you can see I got 500 views on that one day. Okay, and after answering those questions, I didn't answer any more questions on any other day, and I got a total of like 1,000 views within a week. So how you can use this to your advantage is getting into, like, let's look for flat belly fix. I mean, okay, that's a profile, but let's search for. So I mean, there are people asking questions like, what is flat belly fix? So literally what you can do is provide value in your answers over here. Okay, and then either link to your video or link to a blog post. You can't direct link an affiliate link. Okay, so you can link to your blog or link to your to a YouTube video. Okay, and that way point more people from organic methods to your to avenues where they can purchase from you, from your affiliate link. Okay, so you can see that these answers, this answer got 35 views. Okay, but and it was answered a couple of weeks ago. All right. So what should everyone know about weight loss? So there are so many questions like this. There are only 3 comments on this, and 108 people are already following this, right? So you can go through all of this, look for questions that are related around your product or related in your niche. Okay, and all you need to do over here is give real value. Once you give real value, people will upvote your answers, That way they will come in front of a lot more people. Okay, and those who are interested will actually end up clicking your link and going to your blog or your YouTube video, which ultimately will end up to a sale. Over here also, if you assume every 100 people that get onto your blog or YouTube video, maybe one person will buy, and that's all you need actually, right? So this is how you exactly do it. Okay, you can follow groups that is surrounded to your niche. Okay, and just answer 10 questions a day. It won't take more than an hour, I think. And if you have ready-made YouTube videos or blogs, you can just link to those. Okay, and that way you can increase organic traffic and not only get subscribers and views on your YouTube channel, but you can, actually make sales of your products, right? So I hope you guys have understood this concept. For those who are struggling, with money and they don't have methods of paid traffic to implement because they don't have money, just do this, guys. You can pick one product per day. Literally spend 1 hour creating a YouTube video, spend another hour just answering like 5 to 10 questions on Quora, and that's it. That's all you need to do. Okay. If you can get 5-10 bucks for, for someone to help you make your video, or, a nice splash page from Fiverr for your YouTube channel, that will be great. It'll give your YouTube video a more professional look. Okay. But all these things go a long way, and slowly you'll be growing your YouTube channels while making sales on Clickbank. Okay, so that's it from me, guys. I hope you have got good value from this video. Please hit the subscribe button and support me. I would really appreciate it. Okay, and put in any questions you want in the comments, and I'll help. I'll do my best to answer them. All right. Cheers, guys. Take care.